Hello, my Kandor crafters. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are loyal, welcome back. So today we have the first DIY of the new year, and it's actually a makeover of my old flower wall that I did a couple years ago. But out with the old and in with the new, honey. I kept the same frame and I spray painted my name that was in the middle originally, and I'm probably going to just use that for something else. I have not decided yet. I'm probably just going to put it on the wall somewhere. But I spray painted both gold because why not? And I bought some new flowers and a new blackboard that I will link in the description below. I did cut a hole in the center of the blackboard because, of course, I am adding an LED light, so I needed the wire to go through that hole. I originally was going to add some white flowers, some leftover white flowers that I had from a different project to this project, but they weren't the same size, so I opted not to do them. And honestly, the pink flowers came with 3 different shades of pink, so I felt like that was enough anyway. And then I had the purple flowers as well. So in total, I used about 2 bags of the pink flowers and then 1 bag of the purple flowers. Then I just hot glued it to the base. And honestly, this might be a bit tedious, but I went ahead and started making my designs with the roses before I glued it down because I just needed to see what it was going to look like. It was very challenging trying to make a pattern with 4 colors because some of the colors would touch each other. And you know, the perfectionist in me, I'm like, I don't really like that. So I had to change up the pattern a couple of times. And I still had some colors touching diagonally, but it was okay. As long as it wasn't side to side or up and down, I was cool with that. So yeah, just take that extra time to go ahead and lay down your pattern. Unless you have 3 or 2 colors, or just 1 color, I don't know. But I have 4 colors, so I was like, I need to put down the pattern and see what it looked like for myself. It was an extra step, but I feel like it was necessary. Also, make sure that your flowers are as close together as you possibly can, because I noticed once I was done, you could kind of see some of the black, and it was already a struggle getting the pattern together with the 4 different colors. So I was like, I can't even go back and add different color flowers because I feel like all of the colors are touching. So I was just like, it's just going to be what it's going to be. But take it from me, get your roses as close as you can, as close as possible. So once my roses were done drying, I went ahead and added my LED light. So originally I tried to use the clear mounting tape, and I added that to the back. I put 1 long piece at the top, 1 long piece at the bottom, and a little short piece in the middle. But unfortunately, that only lasted for about 2 to 3 days, and it fell right on off. So I just used my handy dandy hot glue and glued as much as I could on the back of that thing, because I was like, I need this to hold up, honey. I need this to hold up. And so far, so good. I feel like putting that much hot glue on there, it helps spread the weight evenly on the flowers. And this is how it turned out. This was a cute little fun project to do. It didn't take me long at all, and I feel like it adds so much character to this space. It's my new brand colors for my business, and yeah, she came out real cute, real cute. So like I said, everything will be linked in the description below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below, because your girl is officially back, baby. I'm back on the tube. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It feels so good to be back, and I will see you on my next video. Until next time, my Kandor crafters, bye.